Hey everyone, so parts have finally arrived for the 7230 right here in the box. It's a little bit of a story, but turns out the part for that was really hard to find. It was practically discontinued in all of Canada and the US. Well, not discontinued, back ordered, but for like a month and a half. So but turns out one guy in Ontario, small John Deere dealer, had one, and he was a kind gentleman, and he gave us a great deal on it, almost 50% off, and he sent it to us. So it's here, so let's unbox it and see if it is the right part. All right, so here we are. Let's open this thing up and see if this is what we are looking for. I think it should be. He did send us some pictures, but yeah, anyway, found it in Ontario. Oh boy, that's a heavy bell. Got shipped here in a couple of days. Just grab a piece of paper and lay down on there. Yeah, there you go. That's the whole block. So our old one, if you guys remember from the part 1 video, has a crack right here somewhere. So hopefully putting this thing on will make that leak go away and we'll be good to go again. All right, time to take this off. So I'm gonna do a high-speed video to record this, and then we'll take it off. So there it is, we got the valve off. Now we just got to take these 3 bolts out. That one, back here, and there. Take this block off and match it to the new one. So this is the one we're replacing with that. So we'll do that, take it off, and then put it back on. A lot of hoses and pipes to take off, but this is where it came out. So it merges on there. There's an O-ring in there, and then all these pipes and tubes and hoses, everything connects to it, sensors and everything. So I'll get her back together and put it back on, and let's see if it works. There we go, we got the motor running again. We got the valve on. Looks like everything is working, not leaking. this is what we replaced right here, this black valve or the block. But it looks like everything is the way it's supposed to be, so I think she's fixed up. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, and see you on the next video.